children, welcome to ASA Education. आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 87 रन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। चैप्टर है 11 ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस और ये अब इस चैप्टर की लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है। ये एक मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज है जिसमें मिक्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको सेंटेंसेस को रिकास्ट करना है जैसा कि इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए गए हैं। पहला है, अ सोल्जर ऑफ द 10th लेगियन leaped into the water as soon as the ship touched the shore. आपको शुरू करना है begin with no sooner. No sooner did the ship touch the shore than a soldier of the 10th legion leaped into the water. दूसरा है, we have helped them with money as well as a body of workers, all well trained and experienced. आपको यहाँ एक्सप्रेशन यूज करना है not only और everyone. We have helped them not only with money but also with a body of workers. Everyone well trained and experienced. Third है, Mrs. Smith is the wisest member of the family and of her 4 daughters, Jane is the prettiest. Use the comparatives of wise and pretty. Mrs. Smith is wiser than any other member of the family, and Jane is prettier than any of her other 3 daughters. Next है, the difficulty was solved by means of a special service devised for the occasion. Make the word service the subject. A special service devised for the occasion helps solve the difficulty. The lady was compelled by the doctor to drink such vile medicine that she was all but killed by him. Use the active voice throughout. The doctor compelled the lady to drink such vile medicine that he all but killed her with it. You are already as well acquainted with these affairs as I am. Use known for acquainted. These affairs are already as well known to you as me. As soon as Sir Roger had seated himself, he called for wax candles. Use no sooner for as soon as. No sooner had Sir Roger seated himself then he called for wax candles. When supper had been prepared, Robinson Crusoe sat down, expecting to enjoy himself greatly. Use noun forms instead of prepared and expecting. When the preparation of supper was over, Robinson Crusoe sat down in expectation of enjoying himself greatly. Nelson knew the value of obedience so well that he anticipated some censure for his act. Rewrite the sentence using to for so. Nelson knew the value of obedience too well to fail to anticipate some censure for his act. The secretary sent me no reply for 10 days. Rewrite using the verb reply instead of the noun. The secretary did not reply to me for 10 days. He gave a look at the newspaper and you will find a lot of space devoted to advertisements. Begin with if. If you have a look at the newspaper, you will find a lot of space devoted to advertisements. Her reason for not going with us was that she had no money. Use therefore. She had no money, therefore she did not go with us. Besides having a salary, he also has a private income. Use not only but. He has not only a salary but also a private income. His parents were compelled by poverty to send him abroad that he might earn his own living. Simple sentence, active voice. Poverty compelled his parents send him abroad to earn his own living. His fondness for games increases with his proficiency. Complex sentence using the, and the adjectives to replace the abstract nouns. The more proficient he becomes in games, the fonder he grows of them. Of all the men I knew, none is less inclined than he is to believe ill of others. Reduced to two clauses. Of all the men known to me, none is less inclined than he is to believe ill of others. Or you can write, of all the men I knew, he is the least inclined to believe ill of others. When the monsoon broke, the temperature fell rapidly. Simple sentence, break as subject, replace fell by noun. At the break of the monsoon, temperature had a rapid fall. He has squandered his fortune, estranged his friends, and ruined his health by his recklessness and extravagance. Use not only, but he has not only squandered his fortune and estranged his friends, but also ruined his health by his recklessness and extravagance. He has discovered new facts and advanced new arguments, but my opinion is unchanged. Complex sentence, negative principal clause with verb in active voice and two adjectival clauses. अब आपको इस सेंटेंस को कैसे चेंज करना है? The new facts he has discovered and the new arguments he has advanced have not changed my opinion. दूसरा है he is notoriously mean in his treatment of his servants. अब आपको इस सेंटेंस को 4 वेज में लिखना है. पहला है सिंपल सेंटेंस with treatment as subject. His treatment of his servants is notoriously mean. दूसरा है simple sentence with treat as the verb. He treats his servants in a notoriously mean way. Third है complex sentence with a noun clause. It is notorious that he treats his servants meanly. Fourth है complex sentence with an adjective clause and meanness as subject of the principal clause. The meanness with which he treats his servants is notorious. Next है you can imagine my annoyance on learning of the postponement of the football match. आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस 3 सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस में इसको रीराइट करना है. You can imagine how annoyed I was when I learned that the football match had been postponed. His sole income is what he earns by his pen. Make the principal clause negative. He has no income other than what he earns by his pen. A sailing ship was wrecked here last December. Rewrite in 3 ways so as to emphasize sailing here and December. पहला है it was a sailing ship that was wrecked here last December. दूसरा है it was here that a sailing ship was wrecked last December. और थर्ड है it was last December that a sailing ship was wrecked here. Last sentence है it is probable that he will come back. Simple sentence replace probable and come back by nouns. There is a probability of his coming back. यह आपकी एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट सेंटेंस था। आपकी एक्सरसाइज फिनिश होती है, साथ ही साथ आपका एक चैप्टर भी। आपको अच्छा लगा, समझ में आ गया, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए आशा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगले एक्सरसाइज के संग, या कह सकते हैं आप नए चैप्टर के साथ।